layers are you really using when you put on your foundation, when you put on your concealer, when you put on your contour, even when you're putting on your blush, when you're putting on your blush? How many layers are you using when you're doing a clean girl makeup, or you're doing just a soft bead? You know what I'm saying? How many layers are you actually using, even if you're doing a full bead? So today we are going to be only focusing on one layer for like a nice little soft bead. You can use this to go to work, you can use this to go to church, you can use this to do anything, okay? But just focusing on one layer is what we're going to be working on today, okay? What's going on, my boo? It is your girl Stacey Woo. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today we are going to be busting it up, playing in some makeup, and we are going to be only doing one layer on the face of everything. So first we're going to be jumping into these two concealers right here, because I actually want to start off with the T-zone of my face and then work my way out, okay? What I do, I take both of these and I like put it on my hand, and then I kind of like mix it with my brush. Now me, I don't put one layer. I'm gonna keep it real. Even when I'm doing my soft beats, I don't put one layer because of my dark circles, but we gonna put one layer just like that. One layer. That's it. One layer. Now, do I want to do more layers right now? Yeah, but I'm not. And even though you didn't see me prime and moisturize, I primed and I moisturized with my Holy Hydration and my by Elf, okay? So I just want to let you know I did that. I forgot to show y'all, but I did it. Now, since I have that down, I'm going to focus on oh, wait a minute, real quick. I definitely want to get some here, because I don't know, but for some reason I always do it around here, okay? How is that looking? How is that looking? That is looking great. All right, so now since I have that down, we're going to be jumping right into contour. I'm gonna jump into my Danessa Myricks, and instead of me taking like a brush, because I feel like when you pat it on a brush, that's more than one layer. So I'm going to take my Danessa Myricks. This is actually in the color Deep 2, and I'm just going to put one right here, put one right here, bring some around my nose. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna just bring this down a little bit too, like that, okay? So we have that. Do a little bit of here, a little bit here, a little bit on the temple, okay? And then I just be shaping the rest. I put the rest like under my jaw just to shape my face, okay? So now we have that down. Now we're going to be jumping into blush, and for blush we're going to be taking the Curve case. This is like my favorite case. I love this case so freaking much, okay? So we're going to be taking the other side of my brush, my foundation brush. This is actually the Sigma foundation brush in F60, just to let you know, because I really don't be telling my brushes, but yeah, that's the brush that I'm using. And so I'm going to be taking Marlowe Cerbert and Rich Rosé. So I'm going to swipe on both of them just like that. This is the blush, and I'm going to go right here, one swipe. Can you see that? Oh, you can't really see that. So since you can't really see that, that's a little too light. I'm gonna do a Shy Boy and a Rich Rosé. I'm gonna see if I can mix that and see. Oh, there we go. I like to have it right over top. Foundation, we're going to be jumping into my fave, because this is just the best for my skin. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna just be taking this, and I'm going to be taking my favorite brush. I don't even know if this is a foundation brush, but this is my MAC brush. I done had this brush for so many years, but I love this brush so much. And I'm just going to squirt one drop, and I'm going to take this and rub this on my brush, and I'm gonna just swipe it all where I want it to be. And this is all the product that I'm using. When I get to my head, I automatically just start blending, because I feel like on your forehead Yes, you do be needing product on your forehead. People be acting like, oh, you don't need no product. Yes, you do, girl. Yes, you do. Okay, we could tell when you don't have product over there or the forehead. You know, we can see it. I see it. I see it on the forehead and I see it on your nose. I could tell you ain't got nothing on there. Put it on there. Okay, so we're going to just go just like that. And whatever you have left, just take it and just put it in places like that. I'm gonna take, I got last little bit. I'm gonna just take a little bit more so I could get right there like near my ear and stuff, because you got to get your ear and bring it down so it won't look like just your face done. Because I'm tired of people having that face and then they don't drag it down their neck. Drag it down, baby, drag it down. Okay, all right. So since the product has laid down a little bit, I'm gonna spray. That's gonna wet the product. That's gonna bring the product back to life, okay? So now since I have that down, I'm going to start blending. So I'm going to start blending from the in and then work my way out. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna just start tapping just like this. And when I do this, I do not focus on my sides. I just focus right here in the middle first. Just focusing this all in this middle first, like boom. You dig me? Don't focus on that, the outside yet. Okay, now I'm gonna take my brush and I'm gonna stipple my foundation. Stipple that foundation right in, giving like a clean kind of like finish. You feel what I'm saying? And now since I have that down, I'm going to jump right back in and start blending out my blush with my concealer and just bringing that down. You see how that is just blending in so good? You feel what I'm saying? Touch up that contour just like that. And I love doing my makeup like this because it's like, you see I got makeup on, but it's not really giving makeup. You feel what I'm saying? Sometimes you just want to give like, oh, I'm chilling today. You know, I ain't really got too much on. Ain't too much going on, you know? I'm just going to take my beauty blender and just blend right here, shaping my nose. So now since we have this base and this base is like giving natural, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to jump into my Laura Mercier, just a little bit of here. And then I'm going to jump into my e.l.f. tan, okay? And I'm going to bring that down. Just like that. And I like doing this because when you are trying to give natural, you don't want to do too much of a light what would I say, translucent powder. I mean, some people don't care, some people still do, but with me, I kind of add either like a deep or a tan when I'm doing my contour. Because I mean, when I'm doing my not contour, but when I'm baking my face or whatever and setting my face with powder, because I just don't want it to be too bright. So I kind of set it like this so it can kind of give like, you know what I'm saying? So now since we have that down, I'm just going to take a little bit of translucent and put that in my eyebrows. And then I'm going to take a spoolie, if I can find one, okay? Real quick, there we go. So I'm just going to take this spoolie and I'm going to just pull my eyebrows up just like this. And I do this because on some real stuff, when I'm doing natural makeup or whatever like that, I really don't want to be doing too much on my brows. You feel what I'm saying? So I really don't do too much on my brows. I'm going to jump into some P. Louise. This is the Rumor 7 base. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to put a little bit on my hand and then I'm going to just write this all on my lid like that. For the eyes, I'm going to jump into this hot chalk, this right here. And I'm just going to take that and I'm going to take a nice fluffy brush and I'm just going to warm my eyes. And when I say warm my eyes, it's just giving it some type of depth, whereas though it kind of look like I have something on, but not really. And when I do this, I just focus right here on my outer corner and just my crease. And your crease, if you focus on the brow, your bone, your bone is here, and then right under that bone, that's where you drag your eyeshadow, and then just bring it out. That's how I try to, like, you see what I'm saying? And I just do like, what would you call this, like a windshield wiper motion? And then like for some reason when I get to my inner corner, I start circling just to give like that glow. And then I mean not that glow, just like that, I don't know what this is, but I just start circling and then I bring it out like that. So that's how I usually do, just to give some type of definition in my eyes, because I just be wanting like soft vibes. So I just take this and I'll just brush this right over my lid. Let me take my contour powder and get that together, and just taking that. And then I'm going to take my Deep and the Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm just going to take that and just dust that off. Dust all that powder off real quick. Just like that. And I'm noticing, like, if you don't get a lot off, like say for instance if all this don't come off or whatever, jump into your foundation powder, tap into your foundation powder and get into it like that. That's what I do sometimes if I'm still like, oh, what's going on? Yeah, that's all you have to do, just like that. Since I've dusted all that off and I want this to hold, I'll take my fixing spray, not setting spray, but my fixing spray, and this one is in the L'Oreal Paris. This is the Infallible 3-second setting fixing spray. And I spray it just like that, just to keep that holding before I'll set it with the setting spray. And when I set it like that, I'm gonna jump into my mascara and my Boo Fenty Beauty, and this one is called Hella Thick. I don't think I ever told y'all which one I use, but I use Hella Thick because, you know, I wish I was really hella thick, but I'm not really hella thick, so why not get these eyebrows hella thick, you dig? And so I pull these out. I try not to touch my lid, but sometimes if I do, I don't really like, I be like, whatever. It is what it is. You can always clean it up, you know what I mean? It's like no big deal. I'm going to jump into my blush, and this is the Juvia's Place, and I'm going to still use this one, this M448, and I'm going to take a light pink because I just want a light kind of like touch to it, just a light flush, not too flush tone, just a light flush. And I'm just going to take that just like that, you know. And then I'm going to real quick put on some lashes or whatever, jumping into this duo glue and then just laying this on my lashes. And I'm going to be doing some really natural chill kind of lashes. And while that dry down really quick, I'm going to jump right into lip, because lip is not going to really take me too long, because I really don't want to do too much on the lip. I kind of want to keep it very cute, very simple, whatever. So we're going to be jumping into this Smine lip pencil. I actually got this from who was it, Amazon. And to be honest, I like it. It's not as dark as I would want it to be, but when you're doing these kind of beats, you don't really need like a hard dark lip anyway. So I'm gonna just keep it like that. But you see how like it doesn't get as dark as I would want it to be, but I kind of still like it still, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna just take a little bit because my lips just feel dry. I'm gonna just take a little bit in the inside. I got this from Juvia's Place, This is in the peppermint, but it's like it's very teeny, and I like this because say if this is like your lips still dry and you don't want to put your lipstick on, like I don't like putting my lipstick on when my lips is like real dry, because then you get like that crack. So what I do, I'll just lay that down or whatever and then put my lipstick on, and it definitely works. We'll just jump into this Good Morning Tiana Teller by MAC. Like, this is so, I just love this pink. Look at it. It's so freaking cute. Like, and now since I had that down, I'm just going to take a little bit of some clear gloss, just any kind of clear gloss you could definitely use. But I take that and then I take my lip brush and I just lay that over top like that. Now we can jump on these lashes. And now, since I have that down, let me wipe my hand off real quick. But now since I have all of that down, like my lashes and stuff, I'm gonna take some Ready, Set, Sealed by Juvia's Place. This is my shot. I really like this. And I'm gonna spray that in. Then I'll just take my brush and tap it in, just tap that setting spray right in. Now, so I got a little bang, but I kind of want y'all to see the makeup. So yeah, and no, I didn't do my brows because when I'm chilling, I don't do my brows. I just really just put this right here. This is the Fenty Brow VIP. I take this and I roll it up. Let me clean it off because it's all my brow hairs. My brow hairs. And I just lay this right here to hold my brows in place. And when I do this, it's still like, because I have a little bit of brows from me holding my brow in place and just putting this on my brows, when I tell you this keeps my brows looking like so cute brows, like it really do. Like the best. So my boo, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, do not forget to smash that like button. Leave me a comment down below. Also my boo, if you haven't subscribed, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay my boo. But with that being said, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching me and watching me grow. Don't forget to keep God first, and I will see you my boo in my next video. Mwah. Peace.